start.
Hello, I'm Zoe. We will talk about barbecues. A barbecue is a cooking method, or a cooking device, a style of food, and a name for a meal or gathering at which this style of food is cooked and served. Barbecue can be spelled in two ways, either with C, or Q is sounded. Barbecue can be abbreviated as BBQ instead. Barbecuing is usually done outdoors by smoking meat over wood or charcoal. Restaurant barbecue may be cooked in large, specially designed brick or metal ovens. The techniques which include smoking, roasting, and grilling. In this schematic diagram, the large cylindrical part is the smoke chamber where the smoke comes from food as it's cooked in higher temperatures. The one above the smoke chamber is the chimney, or a smokestack that smoke from cooked foods is being released. This part of a box is the firebox that uses several varieties of grills, can either be gas-fueled, or charcoal, or electric. Inside the firebox is the air dampener that acts as a door. Firstly it's cold. And then we open the air dampener that releases hot air to raise its temperature. Finally the one which is called a grill grate which is placed diametrically in the smoke chamber. The material can be either stainless steel, or cast iron, or enamel coated, as it's similarly with a firebox. Now, the working principle is, the cold air goes through the air dampener containing charcoals. There is a lot of heat inside that can release hot air, then goes through the chamber. There will have different temperatures, near one is much hotter and far one is less hotter, then the less hot air is exhausted out through the smokestack. You can find lots of various recipes of cooking like grilled foods, can be of grilled chicken, grilled corn, grilled potatoes etc. So you have learned how to use barbecues. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.